Hey guys, what is going on? This is Addison from LeSueur Car Company, and we're actually here at the electric charging station on our lot. And I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to stop charging your Volkswagen ID.4 in a quicker way. Let's get right to it. So right here, we got one of our ID.4s that's charging. One of the bosses or salesmen has been using it. And so what you can do usually is you can go into the car from here, open the door, and you can see that the charging icon is on the infotainment screen right now. And so what you can usually do is you can just press stop charging, and it would allow you to get the charging cord out of the car. As you can tell right here, the white light is on and you're able to pull this thing out, right? But something that can actually make your life a little easier is if you click on the unlock button twice on the Volkswagen ID.4 key fob, it actually will unlock the charging station immediately and you're able to pull it out. So something that I've really loved about these ID.4s is the capability of absolutely customizing the entire vehicle. It is so cool. And we've got so many videos that actually go over different customizations on Volkswagen ID.4 specifically. So if you guys want to check those out, go onto our website or to our YouTube channel and you can check them all out. There's so many of them. But we want to catch you guys in the next video. We'll see you guys later.